If you're thinking of buying a home, do some investigating first. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about the value of a home inspection right after this.
When your backyard feels like a private resort, every day is like being on vacation. So enter the Backyard Paradise contest today for a chance to win your own luxurious landscape worth up to $10,000. The pros from Pavestone and Quikrete will design a project just for the winner's home and help Danny and his team install it. Plus, the whole process will be featured on an episode of Today's Homeowner. So get your yard ready for summer. Complete your entry right now at todayshomeowner.com/backyardparadise. Brought to you by Pavestone and Quikrete.
Don't get serious about buying a home without hiring a professional home inspector to look into every nook and cranny of your home, including plumbing, heating, and electrical wiring, everything functional and structural. While costs vary depending on the size, construction, and location, most home inspections run around $350, a small price compared to making expensive repairs. A good inspector should provide you with a detailed written report that includes suggestions and cost estimates for any needed repairs. The best inspectors are those with some sort of prior building experience, but skip the ones who offer to do the repairs or who want to recommend someone who can. That's clearly a conflict of interest. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.